Hello, 7th graders, and welcome to the Mitosis Gizmo and Microscope assignment. So the target today, I will use what I learned during the mitosis phase identification lab so that I can know which phase will last the longest. I will know I've got it when my graph represents both the virtual and the actual data. And that's really the biggest thing you're going to need to know for conclusions is which one lasts the longest and which one is the shortest. So let's get into it. Part 1, we're going to go to Gizmo. When you go to Gizmo, you need to make sure that you log in. So I already launched it, but as you can see up here, it has the login. If there is a timer, it means that you have not logged in. So let's log in, student login. Then go ahead and launch the Gizmo. Once the Gizmo launches, you're going to set the cell cycle to 10 hours, and then you're going to hit play. And all these cells are going to start to populate. As you can see, they're actually going through mitosis. Once it says the maximum data has been reached, hit pause. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to click Table, Record Data, and your numbers are right there that you need to put down in your data table. So interphase is 80, prophase 11, metaphase 2, anaphase 2, telophase 3, cytokinesis 2. And so you're going to go ahead and put all those in your data table for trial 1. You're going to hit Reset, and you're going to do it again. And once you hit the maximum, you hit pause and then record data, and that will be trial 3. The next step for you will be to calculate the average. And the way you calculate the average is you add up these 3 numbers, trial 1 plus trial 2 plus trial 3, equals, and then divide them by 3. To find the percentage, you're going to take this number here, the average number, divided by the total times 100. So calculate the percent, so the phase average, so this number here, divided by the total times 100, and that's going to go right here, because we're going to graph the percentage. Actually, I'm going to take that back. I'm going to say, yeah, we are graphing percentage. Sorry, graphing percentage. Part 2, using the microscope. Well, you're at home, so you're not going to use the microscope. First of all, you're going to count or kind of estimate how many cells are in this picture. Then you're going to find out how many cells are going through pre-mitosis interphase. So how many of them have a solid nucleus? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and do a count. The count is not going to have to be perfect. It's okay if it's a little wrong. We're looking for this to be an approximation, not something that is 100% accurate. So you're going to do the actual count, have the total, and follow the same procedure from above for the percentage. So take the phase number divided by the total times 100. Once you're done with that, you are ready to graph your data. Click Create a Graph. I'm going to show you what it'll look like here. And then you're going to, after you click Bar Graph, you're going to click Data, and this is what the data is going to look like for the title. And these are all in the instructions right here, except for you have to pick your own title. The title I chose, Mitosis, Gizmo versus Microscope. Item is 6, groups are 2. So my first group is Gizmo. Second group is Microscope, and then I'm going to put the different phases, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to put those percentage numbers for each one of the phases in here for both the Gizmo and the Microscope. After I have my numbers in, I'm going to hit Preview. If it looks correct, take a snip, and then go back, and at this point in time, you're going to answer 1 and 2. They are restating, answering, and explaining your answer in 1 and 2. You're not citing evidence, and you're not summarizing it. And put your snip or your picture of your graph. If you have any questions, please let us know.